Hi, my name is Alejandra Becerra, and today I'm going to be talking about the benefits of prefabricated modular construction. Modular construction could be the answer to the housing crisis. After listening to my speech, my audience will agree that modular construction could help with the housing crisis by building quick, affordable, and environmentally friendly homes. Modular construction can make it easier to build affordable, energy-efficient houses at a fast pace. Did you know that most people spend more than 30% of their income just in rent payments? The American housing sector is broke. Rents keep rising and the income doesn't go up. The home ownership shifts to older and richer Americans. The Joint Center for Housing Studies at Harvard University reports that there is only some short-term progress since the recession and no real long-term progress prognosis. For decades, the cost of a house has been rising faster than incomes. According to the National Low-Income Housing Coalition, renters spend more than 30% of their income in rent. It doubled in the past 50 years. According to the Harvard study, the cities with the greatest increases in housing costs are also the ones with more homelessness. Low-cost housing is being replaced by luxury condos, hotels, and offices. Modular construction is an effective and affordable type of housing that could solve many of the problems. Society faces a lot of them today. All over the world, house builders are now turning to modular construction in some form to tackle the housing shortage. Building modular homes is a way of construction that could tackle the housing shortage in many ways. It is quick and effective and environmentally friendly. It's a type of housing that could solve many of the problems society faces. The rising popularity of modular homes is allowing smaller house buildings companies to enter the market and make it cheaper. This reduces the building time, cost, and uses a smaller environmental footprint. We have a variety of design configurations, and in the UK alone 8 of the 10 top house builders are now turning to modular construction in some form to tackle this shortage. This method was born in the 1950s after the Second World War, when the governments needed a quick and effective way of building homes. They were desperate. Modular units are efficient in all the extent of the word. Fast construction, affordability, and energy efficiency are the main characteristics of prefabricated homes. A significant benefit of these homes is that they can be built within days. Today, this method delivers quality units that can be adapted depending on the needs that they need to satisfy, and far more design capabilities. This method offers precision since they are being built off-site, and they are cheaper, but it also makes construction process less vulnerable to weather. The low prices can be partially attributed to the less amount of workers that they need to build them. They can also be attached to other units to create communities. A significant benefit of prefabricated homes is that they can be built within days. They can be assembled on site and hook up to all the services and utilities. These units can be built in factories and shipped anywhere in the world. This means that they could cut time of construction from 40 weeks to only 10 days. Modular homes generate way less construction waste since they are fabricated off-site, and they are also built with higher energy efficiency standards than regular homes. They usually employ solar panels and rainwater systems. On top of that, they can be built with recyclable materials. A huge benefit of this type of homes is that they can be highly energy efficient, keeping energy and water bills really low. Modular homes are able to withstand natural disasters thanks to their type building, and they leave a low carbon footprint. They can also be used for temporary housing in emergencies and natural disasters. The heating and cooling systems tend to be very affordable with this kind of constructions, and the various fittings and customizations can rise or lower the cost of your prefabricated home. This method delivers units that can be adapted depending on the aspects that it needs to satisfy, offering far more design capabilities. Modular prefabricated homes can be adapted to any needs. The cost of a prefab home will vary depending on how much you're willing to spend on it yourself or how much of an outsource you have. Some ambitious home purchasers prefer to buy a kit and build it and assemble it themselves. Others are happy to spend the money to have the details of construction and permitting taken off of their hands. Wherever you fall on the spectrum, make sure you understand what the benefits of these systems are and go the prefab route. In general, prefabricated modular homes could help lower the prices of homes while creating quickly built, environmentally friendly houses. Whatever you are thinking right now, it can be said after presenting the previous points that prefab modular homes could be a huge advantage in the house construction industry. Whether you need something quick but temporary or something that lasts for a long time and doesn't make you spend all your money while taking care of the planet, prefabricated modular homes is the option to go in today's world.